Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Axis Builds. We got some convertible VWs on this virtual car show. I think we have some Carmighias, we have some Bugs. I think we even have some newer VW Golfs in there, so check it out. We got some cool cars in there. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications, guys. Alright. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this virtual car show. It was a lot of fun, got a lot of cool cars. We got a lot more to come. Check it out next week, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. And remember guys, it's always built, not bought. See you in the next one, guys.